Alright, anyone trying to do a intake cam sensor on your S54 E46 M3? Pretty involved job. You gotta remove your intake box, all the intake stuff, your windshield cowl, the beauty cover here. And you also have to you gotta unclip your injector harness just so you can just move it out of the way just enough. It's right there, the sensor. I'm putting it in now. It's pretty tight over there. You're gonna need a little. Well, I use this tiny little 1/4-inch ratchet with Allen 5mm. You're gonna need some kind of flashlight. You're gonna just cover your throttle just in case. You're also gonna need to remove or just unbolt this plastic thing because it's right in the way of the sensor, so you won't be able to get your Allen in there. So 100% you gotta remove your intake box because you can't get to it. You can't get to the bolts for that plastic thing with the intake box in the way. But yeah, I would say this is about an hour or two job. It's pretty straightforward. Just remove the intake box, all little things, and then yeah, the cam sensor connector is right here. So when you lift up your injector harness, you can unclip it. And yeah, that's how you do it. Good luck.